Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows KB5083769 big update does not is Windows level security update error. In this video, before you begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. You can fix by using these 4 steps. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem fix it. Let's go ahead. That first step, restart. So go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Then still not working, then go to the next step, command promote. So go to the Windows search bar and type cmd, right click on the command promote and choose the run as administrator. Then give the command, this command provided this description. So then copy to paste or type sfc, give the space, scan now, hit the enter. This process will take some time, so I will skip it. This verification 100% completed, then only you will come to back. Then I will skip it. Then go to the next step, Windows update. Windows update, corrupted files delete. So we will need file explorer. So just you will click to open, then go to the local disk C, then find Windows folder, double tap to open, then scroll down, find and select the software distribution, double tap to open, then select it all, then right click to delete all folder. Once it all delete, then close it. After that, again check the Windows update. If this try to still not working, then go to the next step, troubleshoot Windows update. So we need settings, so search the settings and open, then go to the search bar, then type Windows update. Then you can see below find and fixing problem with Windows update and click to over here. Then click on the next to process detecting problems. So wait, it is will show the some problems. What have you for problems? So here show it. So you will wait. So pending system changes require reboot has been detected. So just next to close it. After that restart your system. Then go to the search bar and type settings to open. Then go to the Windows update. Then just download and install or restart now button, click to update your latest version. After that your problem solved. If you have, it will have solved this problem by using these methods. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, go to that comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment this video.